Letter H logo design. A glowing logo will undoubtedly make you stand out. This logo also looks stunning on a t-shirt. Welcome to my channel HL Graphics. Let's go conquer the world of graphics. Now let's start our work. First, we will create 13 vertical lines with the help of Line Segment tool, for which we will use Ctrl-D. Group all the vertical lines and click on the Rotate tool. Select 90 degrees here and click on Copy. In this way, 13 horizontal lines will be drawn in front of you. Now we will again select the vertical lines with the help of Selection tool and go to Rotate tool and take 45 degrees and click on Copy. Now select these lines with the help of Selection tool. Right-click the mouse and go to Transform Form. Here click on Reflect and select the copy. This way we will have all the lines. Now group all these lines. Now we will start creating our logo, for which we will group all the lines with the help of Selection tool and click on Shape Builder tool, and then we will click on Fill, and now our logo will start to be created. Start creating the logo slowly and carefully so that there are no mistakes. When we draw lines to create a grid logo in Illustrator, we gain several significant advantages. The use of a grid ensures precision and consistency, as all elements are aligned and proportionate, resulting in a balanced and harmonious design. This method enhances scalability, allowing the logo to maintain its integrity and clarity at any size, whether it's on a business card or a billboard. A grid-based logo exudes a professional appearance, which can enhance the brand's image and credibility. Additionally, grids streamline the design process by providing a clear structure, saving time, and reducing the need for extensive revisions. This approach also promotes versatility, ensuring the logo is adaptable to various formats and mediums, thereby maintaining consistent branding across different platforms and materials. Moreover, grids encourage creativity within set boundaries, leading to innovative and unique designs that stand out. Overall, creating a grid logo in Illustrator is a strategic choice that combines precision, efficiency, and versatility. We will start by changing the color and offsetting the path. Next, we'll make it thicker by expanding it. Once our logo is ready, we'll move to Photoshop to use a logo mockup. This will help you create a stunning presentation of your logo, showcasing it beautifully.